I was asked that question by my grandma, and the youth here, they're very special. They're always together. They're always making fun jokes, and for me, I feel like we are better off, together. Um, I would encourage everyone by, coming to youth stuff and youth activities and, making